Let me start with a super quick bio. I am Armida de Mendoza. I was born on September 13, 1979, 45 years old. Graduated my degree as Bachelor of Elementary Education with a concentration of Communication Arts in English from Pangasinan State University, Pangasinan, Philippines on October 2000. I graduated my Master of Arts in Education, major in School Administration at Lyceum Northwestern University on November 16, 2013. I am almost teaching for 22 years now. I am a public school teacher at Don Pedro Elementary School for 18 years, teaching grade 3 pupils, and I'm also a private school teacher for 4 years. So I am almost teaching for 22 years now.